Agostino Neto, we have Dr. Otienda Molo, we have Peter Opondo Kaloma, and we have Fatuma Network. These are the MPs who are here, and I think with that one, I think I've beaten the time you gave me. I've taken a very short time. So with that one, I am there. So, Karachuelo people, I thank you for having come for this funeral in your large numbers. I also thank any other person who has come. I thank you heartily. But our Prime Minister, thanks a lot for what you have done for us. Many, many thanks. You have done a lot. I know them, and we all know them. Also, our President, you have also done a lot for us. And let me not forget the one working under you, Dr. Raymond Omolo. He has also done so many for us. I have not mentioned all of them. I just picked a few top ones. Thank you.
Basi tumshukuru mjumbe tafadhali. Member of Parliament for Karachuonyo, thank you very much, sir. With your permission, Your Excellency, now will progress and allow me to invite Governor to come and make her tribute and also recognize other leaders present. Honorable Glad